So let's look at number 1. James built a ranch-style home that was 45 feet long and 26 feet wide. What was the total square footage of the home? 1170, right? So that's a pretty basic one. The area of a rectangle is length times width, right? How do we know that that measurement is a rectangle?
One side's longer.
One side's longer than the other. So pretty straightforward, okay? Number 2, Eric's chef made 60 cups of gravy. Eric plans to use 1/8 of a cup of gravy per serving. How many dinners can Eric serve gravy, or how many diners can Eric serve gravy to?
480.
480. So how do we get that?
Dividing
6 times 8.
division.
Multiplication, right?
How will we set it up?
For the 1 and the 60?
How will we set it up?
60 over 1 times 1/8.
60 over 1 times 1/8.
1/8.
Okay. So then we get 60 times 1.
You flip the 8.
1 times 8. You get 6. I'm not sure about that one.
You don't cross multiply it, or
Oh, you go 60 times 8 because there's
8 servings per
right.
cup, and there's 60 cups.
Yeah.
So 8 times 60. Okay.
Times 60.
So 60 times 8.
It's 480.
480. Okay. So as Lanny, Robert have said, we know that there are 60 cups of gravy, right? And how do we know that there are 8 cups per
yeah.
cup?
Because you're using 1/8 of a cup.
See? So because there's 1/8 is a serving,
8/8 is a whole.
8/8 is a whole, making 1 cup. So because of that, you can go ahead and just say 60 times 80. Okay? Does that make sense? A little bit of mental math. You know, there is another way to do it. You can say, hey, you got 60 cups, and I'm going to divide that by 1/8 cup servings. So this is going to tell me how many 1/8 cups is in 60 cups. When you are dividing fractions, you change the division to what?
Multiplication.
Yeah.
And you do what to this?
Flip it.
Cross multiply.
Flip it. Okay? So 60 times 8 is 480 over 1 equals 480. Same answer. So on some of these questions on the GED test, what we're going to see is that there are more than one way to get there.